Hi all, welcome to the second part of International Travel Grants for Indian PhD scholars, PDFs, researchers and as well as faculties. The first one is by Indian Council of Historical Research. Like the name suggests, this is for those pursuing MPhil, PhD, PDF or above whose research areas are in history or allied history. For PDFs and scientists, that is postdoctoral fellows and scientists, this can be used to attend and present their work in conferences, seminars or workshops. This cannot be used by PhD scholars or MPhil for conference or seminar workshop purposes. For them, those who do MPhil and PhD, this can be used to do a part of their PhD work where it involves collection of samples, visiting museums, etc. abroad. And in that case, they also have to publish the results as a thesis, in their thesis, books or monographs with acknowledgement to ICHR. For this, you need a letter of acceptance in case of conference, seminar or workshops and a letter of invitation in case you are going for collection of a sample. It includes the airfare at excursion ticket if available, that is a ticket at a reduced cost, and cost of maintenance abroad. A full paper is needed in case if you are going for conference presentations in English, and also this can be availed only once in 5 years. You have to apply 3 months prior, and in addition, this grant requires a proof of language proficiency like IELTS, TOEFL or Cambridge English test or something which proves that you have adequate language skill. The next one is by Department of Biotechnology, DBT, and the scheme is Travel Support Scheme. This is for biotechnology researchers or people who do research which includes biotechnology as a core theme. This is available for people registered in Indian universities who are like PhDs, PDFs, teachers, scientists, professors for attending the international conferences, seminars, symposia, workshops abroad. And this include the lowest fare in economy round ticket or excursion class ticket. Like I said, excursion is ticket at reduced rate, and also the registration fees. This can be applied only once in 3 years. The full process of application is online. Here the upper limit is 2 lakh rupees, that is the airfare and registration, and in total you will get a maximum of 2 lakh rupees. The letter of acceptance from the host or from the conference authorities is needed, and this also you have to apply 3 months prior. The next scheme is a bit complicated name, INSA-DAE BRNS-CICS Travel Fellowship Program. The name looks complicated, right? But these are the funding sources or funding agencies that's in the name: Indian National Science Academy, Department of Atomic Energy, Board of Research in Nuclear Sciences, Center for International Cooperation in Science. So these many funding agencies are there, and this is for international scientific conferences, seminars and workshops abroad. And the subject areas it covers is very broad: physics, chemistry, biology, maths, computer science, engineering, space science and technology, nuclear energy. Since it is very broad, those proposals or applications which prove innovation and novelty in their work will be preferred, that will be given priority. This one, scientists and researchers like PhDs, PDFs and even faculties can apply. And the thing is, this you will get only partial assistance for travel and registration, and in the application you should also state that partial assistance, the other assistance you will get from some sources like university or self-funding or something. You have to prove that, then only the chances of getting this is higher. This one you can apply once avail, you can apply like in next 3 years only, that is once in 3 years. For every year there will be an expert meeting. They will select the candidates. In 1 year there will be 6 meetings, and that will be notified when it should be applied. It will be notified in the website. You can search the website with the name of this fellowship itself, and during that notified period only you can apply for this fellowship. The acceptance letter from the host is needed, an abstract is needed, and also a recommendation letter, that is letter of recommendation LOR from the home institution, and letter of invitation from the host is needed. This one you have to apply online as well as offline. After doing the online application, take a printout of the application, and with all the relevant documents you have to send it to the address in the website. And each of these funding agencies have separate criteria in addition, so there will be certain differences in the application process or procedure depending on which funding agency is supporting your application. So that is given in detail in the website. The last one in the part 2 is by Indian Council of Philosophical Research. This also, like the name suggests, for academic level participations like conferences, seminars, workshops, etc. for people who do or in areas of philosophy and allied disciplines. This one will give you a partial assistance, that is 50% of round trip airfare by economy class and registration fee. It will be covered, and it is available for scholars of all ages and statuses. Priority will be given to faculties in Indian colleges and universities, so it is a bit more beneficial for faculties. This also you have to apply 3 months in prior, and abstract as well as full paper which you are presenting in English language is needed. Acceptance letter from the host university or the organizers is needed for this travel grant as well. Thank you so much for watching. Comment your suggestions, queries, and what you want to watch or what sort of videos in the comment sections below. And if you find these sort of videos helpful, please do subscribe and share it with those who you think will be beneficial. And we will be coming with the final part 3 soon, covering some more of the travel grants. And I have done a video, a part 1 of this, which includes so many very prominent and some more reputed travel grants or very popular travel grants. Please do have a look if you are interested. Thank you so much.